right. Okay. Well, guys, look what we got here. Good for it. It's a little bouncy. Oh, dear, I don't know. There it goes. It's not doing the sudslock again. Yay! And oh wait, why? Why is that so? Because the soap evaporated. It was draining a lot. If there was a little more of soap, it drained. It went away. Appreciate that. So yeah, today in the shiitake mushrooms, there was a short, like, little sibling annoys a sibling. Like, London takes Liana's iPad. Yeah. And then, yeah, she's doing it to Liana. Liana. So I hope Leland does it to Liana and London. Remember the Cam demos video? She had a Samsung front-loading washer in the sudslock. And now it's spinning well. It's doing good. Yay! It stopped. It's doing a good job. All done. All done. Oh, good. Good job. That's it. Now our soap is completely gone. It kept retrying and trying all over again, non-stop. She's doing a good job. She was like, oh, don't do that. Smell it for him. Oh. Yay, good. That's good. Good for you. So, yeah, Samsung's better than that. Or a top loader is better than this. A top load would be a better washing machine than front load. GE is the worst front loader ever.